boogie, gonna get my fill. Big mama's in the house and she's ready to go. Gonna sing it loud, gonna let my feelings show. When the music starts playing, I can't help but groove, feeling that rhythm deep down in my soul, so smooth. With every note I can feel my spirits rise. I keep singing this boogie till the sun starts to rise. Big mama's boogie gonna make you move.
JocelynCorona's story kicks off in the sun-soaked streets of East LA, where she grew up in a tight-knit family, crammed into a one-bedroom apartment. Her mom worked double shifts as a nurse, while her dad drove a delivery truck, but they scraped together every penny to fuel her dream of modeling. By 16, she was sneaking into local fashion shows with homemade portfolios stuffed in her backpack and turning heads with her fierce walk and unshakable confidence. At 19, she landed her first major campaign after a scout spotted her in a viral Instagram post where she styled thrift store finds into high fashion looks. Fast forward to today. At 25, she strutted runways from New York to Milan, banked a net worth topping $3.
When the music starts playing, I can't help but groove, feeling that rhythm deep down in my soul, so smooth. With every note I can feel my spirits rise. I keep singing
Million and launched her own inclusive swimwear line that sold out in 48 hours flat. What sets Jocelyn apart? She's a self-made queen who never forgot her roots. She still volunteers at the community center, where she took her first modeling workshop, teaching kids that hustle beats luck every time. From dodging rent collectors in her teens to owning a sleek downtown LA loft, her journey screams that grit and glitter can coexist. She credits her success to her abuela's mantra, "Échale ganas, mija," a fire she carries into every photo shoot and business deal. Drop it if her grind inspires you to chase your own spotlight.
so smooth. With every note I can feel my spirits rise. I keep singing this boogie till the sun starts to rise. Big mama's boogie gonna make you.
JocelynCorona is a prominent Mexican model who was born on December 22, 1996 in Mexico City. She grew up in Guadalajara, where she learned to swim and life-saving training before entering the fashion business. She turns 28 in 2025 and is considered one of the first models to support diverse body representation, having started her career in 2016 after being noticed by a photographer in a mall. She quickly distinguished herself by participating in the Chromat FW15 fashion show just 6 months after its launch. She also appeared in the magazine Sports Illustrated Swimsuit in 2018. Besides photography, the model has a background in media, where she received a bachelor's degree in film and television production from California State University, Northridge. She studied journalism at the University of California at Monterey Bay. She is known for her height of 179 centimeters, and with her strong and confident personality, which she described in 2023 as beautiful and impressionable, but always adequate. Jocelyn also has experience in managerial work and freelance creative production. Despite her success, she keeps her roots where she speaks openly about the importance of education and mental health. She is considered an example for girls who want to combine beauty and intelligence in the fashion industry.
When the music starts playing, I can't help but groove, feeling that rhythm deep down in my soul, so smooth. With every note I can feel my spirits rise. I keep singing this boogie till the sun starts to rise. Big mama's boogie.
Her unique presence and commitment to challenging traditional beauty standards. In 2015, she participated in Simply Be's Every Body is a Beach Body campaign, promoting inclusivity in fashion. She has been featured in major publications, including the Sports Illustrated S special issue in 2018. Standing at 5 feet 10 inches tall, Jocelyn embraces her curves, and uses her platform to advocate for self-love and acceptance. She feels represented is a significant personal and professional achievement. In addition to her modeling career, Jocelyn has a strong social media presence, over 364,000 pages on Instagram. She uses her platform to share her journey and inspire others to embrace their individuality.
When the music starts playing, I can't help but groove, feeling that rhythm deep down in my soul, so smooth. With every note I can feel my spirit.
Jocelyn's story is one of resilience and determination as she continues to breathe and redefine beauty standards in the fashion industry. Her success serves as an inspiration to many, demonstrating that confidence and authenticity are key to a lasting impact.
Got those blues in my shoes, can't keep still. Gonna shake it, gonna break it, gonna get my fill. Big mama's in the house and she's ready to go. Gonna sing it loud, gonna let my feelings